Have your plants stopped growing or lost their healthy green color? Before you buy expensive fertilizers, try this simple, homemade plant booster made from everyday kitchen ingredients. Welcome back, gardening friends. Today I'll show you an easy natural fertilizer using 2 common ingredients and 1 secret addition that can help support healthier roots and stronger plant growth. Start by pouring 1 liter of water into a jug. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric helps promote a healthier soil environment and support strong root development. Next, add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon naturally helps reduce fungal problems around the roots and works together with turmeric to keep plants healthier. Stir the mixture well until everything is evenly blended. Now for the secret ingredient, 2 tablespoons of used coffee grounds. Coffee grounds improve soil structure, add organic matter, and gradually release nutrients that encourage lush, green leaves and vigorous growth. Mix everything thoroughly one last time. Pour the mixture slowly onto the soil around the base of your plants, avoiding the leaves. This allows the nutrients to reach the root zone where they're needed most. Apply this natural booster once every 2 weeks to help maintain healthy growth. Give this easy recipe a try and let nature do the rest. If you enjoyed this gardening tip, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy gardening!